Hi, my name is Sam Luke, Managing Director at BioDrop, and I'm here today to share the excitement that we all got for our new family of dedicated microvolume instruments and cuvettes. These instruments are designed to help you, the scientist, make better measurements and faster measurements on both DNA and on proteins. Measurement of the concentration of DNA and proteins and the purity of the samples used by life scientists is an important first step before expensive or time-consuming experiments such as next-gen sequencing or ChIP-seq are carried out. Making good measurements at an early stage of the experimentation process can save an awful lot of time and money later on. We spoke to life scientists to find out what they wanted from an instrument of this type. They told us that they wanted to have a standalone instrument, preferably with an easy-to-clean touchscreen. Secondly, they wanted to be able to record their results without having to connect the instrument to a computer. Thirdly, the instrument should be small enough to easily fit onto their workbench. And lastly, and most importantly, they told us that they wanted an instrument that was easy to use and gave very accurate measurements without them having to worry about whether the instrument was calibrated or adjusted properly. That way they could focus on their experiment rather than on the instrument itself. In use, water is used to provide a zero reference. As you can see, this is very fast and intuitive. In normal use, it's okay just to do this once when the instrument is turned on. Next, the sample is pipetted onto the measurement port and the measurement is made. The concentration is shown, as well as absorbance at various wavelengths, which helps the scientist determine if there's any impurities in the sample. A wave scan display is also available to help get a feel for the sample's quality. A quick dab with a paper tissue is all that's needed to clean the sample head before the next measurement. It's also possible to remove the sample using a pipette if the scientist wants to reuse it. And as you can see, if a fresh sample of water is now measured, the result demonstrates this simple cleaning process is enough to prevent any carryover from one sample to the next. So BioDrop not only offers excellent measurement performance, but it does that in a way that lets the scientist focus on his experiment, not on the measuring equipment. BioDrop truly is about fresh thinking in microvolume measurements.